Good day, everyone. Before anything else, allow me to greet everyone with the verse that comes from John chapter 3, verse 1 and 2. It says, Beloved, I pray that all may go well with you and that you may be in good health as it goes well with your soul. Happy anniversary, JCCF Jeddah. Wow, praise God. One thing that I am proud about JCCF Jeddah is with all those year, lahat po ng ating dinaanan na trials and testing at kung ano-ano pa, we remain faithful to the very calling ng ating Panginoon. In fact, we remain one for long time. For such long time, we never been divided. We may be divided in all our ideas, plans, thoughts, but as a church, that's what I am proud of. The most na tayo po ay nananatiling iisa sa bilang isang iglesia, number one, as yun po ang aking number one na pinatutukuyan. At higit sa lahat ay nagpapatuloy po tayo. I admire those leaders who continue to work, to commit their time to support JCCF. I know na marami ng mga bagong leaders ngayon, and what I'm proud about it is that nagpapatuloy po tayo sa Panginoon na talagang patuloy po nating iangat ang pangalan ng ating Panginoon at patuloy po nating pinagsisilban ng ating Panginoon. You know what, there's few things na nais ng ating Panginoon. If you remember Peter, alam mo yan, and the Lord asking Peter, do you love me? And the Lord answered with a very few words as well to prove yung love ni Peter. Alam niyo na po yan. And what I'm proud about it is yun din ang aking from the very day na aking pong tinanggap yung katungkulan o yung responsibilidad bilang isang pinuno ng JCCF during that time. I just have one thing in my mind, and that is to continue what the previous leader starts. Nandun po yung aking naisin na ito po ay magpatuloy. Po ang gawain po ng JCCF ay magpatuloy, hindi para sa pangalan ng JCCF alone, but for those souls na may iwan, at for those souls na makakilala pa sa Panginoon, and for those souls who remain until this day ay naandyan sa iglesia. So purihin po ang Panginoon. I wish na ako po ay kasama nyo ngayon, but obviously hindi na po yun mangyayari for so many reasons, but I'm glad that kayo po ay nakarating doon sa panibago na namang taon na hamon sa iglesyang ito. So God bless you all, and may the Lord continue rest, may all the leaders continue walk in the pattern that God is teaching us from the very beginning. God bless you all, and happy anniversary.